If you're looking for shop wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 shop wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by IIT. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by GiftBoxSpace. Number 3, by Collectable Sign and Clock. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by SignMission. Number 5, by Redeye Laserworks. Find these shop wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by SignMission. Number 7, by Vinyra. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by 7 Arts Studio. Number 9, by SignMission. Discover more shop wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.